Welcome to RV Daddy. I'm Billy at Johnston RV. And today we've got a special treat for you. We've got Brendan all the way from Fort Myers, Florida. He's our Vibe Factory rep. Let's check him out. He's been working out, got a new baby at home. How's she doing?
She's good. She's
Yeah.
good. 9 months old now.
Now, is she your first?
Yep.
All right. New girl dad. But anyway, we are going to take a look at the Vibe front kitchen model today. Brendan, what do you got for us?
So this is our new 2500 FI case. This is our first front windshield unit and first front kitchen unit.
Right.
So on this unit, like on all of ours, it is power everything. So you have power tongue jack, power stabilizers on the side. This one, like I said, being our first front windshield unit. You have the big front windshield, like all of our other units too. So heated and enclosed underbelly. Some extras that you don't typically see is we insulate the water lines. We've got heated tank pads standard on all of our units. We also have our accessible underbelly. So if you would ever need to get up there, do maintenance, whatever the case is, it comes in 4-foot sections. So you could drop it down, bolt it right back up, and that has astrofoil on the other side for even more insulation. So this is a double entry unit. One of the nice things we do on this is you have the solid steps front and rear. So you don't have just one good step and one cheaper step. They are solid on both ones. You also have a quick connect LP under here. You have the larger fridge, and it does already come with a nice outside TV on a swivel bracket.
Yeah, so you put a table out here and put your little grill out here and watch the game. That's under the awning too, isn't it?
Yep, you have two awnings. So whenever we put a slide on the door side to help maximize that awning space, we usually do two and we can't. So you have one up front here. You also have one out back that covers the rear door. So it covers nearly the entire length of the unit.
Tell me about these windows, Brendan.
So those are new European style windows. They are square, a little bit more residential. What's nice is by doing it this way, it allows us to run really large windows, and every window in here opens.
Didn't Bart Simpson have a joke about European?
Something like that. Power everything. We also run our spread axle system to help with towing. Helps with the suspension travel. Much better towing going down the road. Then you are set up for a backup camera out back. You have the spare tire as well. And this has the bracket for that lippert ladder that you can hook into if you'd like to get to the roof, because these are fully walkable roofs if you need to get up there and do maintenance and anything like that.
Right. What do you say we go inside and take a look?
The inside is where it matters. This is where it is a bit of a more unique floor plan, because this thing is right around 30 foot, but it is a triple slide.
Wow, 3 slides.
3 slides. So on the inside here, so obviously being a front kitchen, you have this nice large front window. You have the outlet tower up here if you need to charge phones, plug in coffee makers, things like that. One of the more unique things to Vibe, I've yet to see anyone else running this, is our 3-in-1 oven. So it's an electric oven, convection microwave, air fryer, does everything. It's double the size of your typical gas oven. And because we don't have to mount a microwave up then, you either get more storage or you get these large windows.
Wow. You know, because a lot of the RV ovens, you can barely fit a casserole dish in there.
Yes, a lot of them, they're not very usable, they're very small. This is the best of both worlds. You also get the bar stools with this island here to give you a little more prep space. We also run a pretty small TV. So you
This thing's teeny. I don't know.
You have a 70-inch smart TV right across from your theater seat.
Wow.
Bunch of storage in there as well. One of the other things we do, we were one of the first ones to use them, is our AC system. So we're using the Furrion Chill Cube. So this is 18,000 BTUs. It has a variable compressor and a soft start on it. It's very eco-friendly. It's very energy efficient. If you want to run off a generator and things, it has modes for it. It works extremely well. Like I said, this is 18,000 BTUs. The other AC is 13,500. And on our bigger units, we go to a third AC standard. Not an option, you just get it standard. All the stuff in here is standard.
I love how quiet the chill cubes are. I
Well,
mean,
that's-
it's a lot of the old ones, you crank them up and rah.
The nice thing on this chill cube is, like I said, with all the other stuff, it's also very, very quiet. Comes through remote. On the remote, there's actually a function on there that says follow me as well. What that does is, wherever you are in the RV, if you hit that button, it will take a temperature reading from the remote. What it does is compare it to the temperature you have set on here, and it will adjust itself to get you that cold. Makes it very, very easy. The other thing about this, because this can pull right around 5 amps or just under, this is one of the few systems out there, if you needed to, You could run 2 ACs on a 30 amp plug. So
cool.
when we tested these in the plant, we ran all the TV, all the lights, both ACs on 15 amps.
Wow.
It's extremely efficient.
So can you tell me how you've integrated AI into these things? Oh, that's right. We haven't. Never mind. Forget that.
We have.
You have?
Haven't.
Oh, okay. I'm like, oh,
No.
that was a joke.
No, we're trying to stay away from the Terminator stuff. So no AI in these.
Your camper just follows you. You don't have to hook it up to the truck.
Exactly. Now, one of the nice things is being a shorter floor plan, this does come with a king bed and it's on a slide. So you still have a walk around room you need, still have tons of storage here. You have all the built-ins. You also have a fireplace in here. So if you don't want to work your furnace, you have many, many options because this fireplace will heat 450, 500 square foot. And in that show cube, we were one of the first ones to get it. We also have a heat pump.
Wow.
So it gives you many ways to heat the camper if you'd like to, just depending on if you don't want to use your gas in your furnace, things like that. You still have huge windows in here. If you'd like to put a TV, you can certainly put it here. We have plugins and things for it. You have phone chargers and stuff on each side. You have outlets on each side of the bed.
Plenty of room for the TV.
Tons of storage in here. Again, for a smaller unit, there's a lot of storage in this. And the big thing that makes this unique from any of our other floor plans is this new shower. So this shower in here is bigger than our square ones. Comes with the seat, but one of the things that we did was we hid all the plumbing. So what that means is there's a very, very small lip to get up and in. And one of the problems we always see in travel trailers is height, right? If you're a tall person, it can be hard to get into the showers. So what this does is because we hid everything, you still get the full 80-inch interior height and you also have the dome up top. So I'm roughly 6 foot. I fit in here no problem.
You know, this one also has one of the features that my wife really likes. That little ledge.
Mm-hmm.
And she told me that women want to be able to shave their legs. And if there's not at least a little ledge.
Yep.
And so
you still have some good countertop space, have the sink. We do run porcelain toilets in all of our units as well. And one thing that's a little more unique than other front kitchens, it is double door entry. So if you don't want to walk through the unit, if you're out at the beach doing stuff, getting dirty, you can hop in here, use the bathroom, hop right out. That way you're not tracking it through the whole unit.
Sure thing.
But like I said, right around 30 foot and it's a full triple slide. You have the bigger ACs in it. There is a lot of storage in here too. So this is a very unique floor plan. But for someone that wants to stay around that 30-foot mark, get the king bed on a slide, get all the other stuff we talked about, it is a very good package.
Looks good. Brendan, thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with us. And you know where to find the RV Daddy.